Hello and welcome to Simple English with Alice. Today we will be talking about the verb to be, the affirmative form. We use verb to be to describe someone or something. For example, names, ages, feelings, nationalities and professions. Here are some examples for you. He's thirsty because he's hot. I'm a happy, dedicated and young student. It's a loaf of bread. Here is the formula that we use when we use the verb to be. Subject plus verb to be plus noun or adjective. Here are some examples for you. I am a teacher. You are tall. He is John. She is Sarah. It is a dog. We are happy. You are students. They are friends. As you can see, we have singular and plural subjects. The singular subjects are I, you, he, she, it. The plural subjects are we, you and they. The contractive form in verb to be: I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, we're, you're, there. Here are some examples for you. I'm tired. You're 40. He's a nurse. She's beautiful. It's an elephant. We're sleepy. You're French. They're lifeguards. Here are some more examples. Now you can pause the video and practice saying it. Pause now. I am bored. You are a doctor. He is old. She is young. It is dirty. We are family. You are lawyers. They are sisters. Remember, we, you and they are plural. We use a plural noun after them. Example, we are best friends. When we use a name instead of I, you, he, she, etc., we use is for singular and are for plural. Here are some examples. Italy's a hot and sunny country. Samantha's very kind and caring. Dogs are a man's best friend. When the name is plural, we do not use a contraction. Dogs are a man's best friend. Instead, we say, dogs are a man's best friend. Here are some exercises for you to do using the verb to be affirmative form. Numbers 1 to 15, you have to answer without using contractions. Whereas 16 to 30, you have to complete with contractions. Now, pause the video so that you can complete the exercises. When you are finished, press play to see the answers. Okay, now repeat after me. Number 1, I am an English teacher. Number 2, he is a boy. Number 3, we are children. Number 4, she is British. Number 5, they are hungry. Number 6, It is cold. Number 7. Pete is 11 years old. Number 8. Fred and Edward are friendly. Number 9. Kate and I are late. Number 10. My socks are dirty. Number 11. This book is mine. Number 12. My sister's name is Michelle. Number 13. That is right. Number 14. There is nothing in the fridge. Number 15. There are so many people here. Number 16. We're best friends. Number 17. He's my boyfriend. Number 18. I'm very patient. Number 19. She's short for her age. Number 20. They're Russian. Number 21. It's hot today. Number 22. Jane's a good teacher. Number 23. Ice cream's my favourite dessert. Number 24. My brother's always on time. Number 25. It's very soft and furry. Number 26. This TV program's interesting. Number 27. My aunt's shy. Number 28. They're brothers. Number 29. I'm a doctor. Number 30. We're beautiful. Okay, you have just finished your first lesson of the verb to be in the affirmative form. If you would like to learn about the verb to be in the negative form, click on the next video.